Hey there, home cooks! Today, I've got a super fun and easy recipe for you, butterscotch hard candy. Let's dive right in and make some sweet treats happen. First, grab these simple ingredients. 1 cup of sugar, 1/2 cup of butter, 1 tablespoon of water, 2 tablespoons of light corn syrup, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Got everything? Great! Start by combining the sugar, butter, water, and corn syrup in a saucepan over medium heat. Give it a good stir until the sugar completely dissolves. Now, this next part is key. Let it cook without stirring until it reaches 300 degrees Fahrenheit. That's the hard crack stage, folks. If you don't have a candy thermometer, the mixture will be a nice amber color when it's ready. Once it hits that perfect temperature, remove it from the heat and stir in your vanilla extract. Be careful, it's super hot. Now pour the mixture into greased candy molds or spread it onto a greased baking sheet. Let it cool completely, and once it's hardened, break it into pieces. And there you have it, delicious homemade butterscotch hard candy. These make for perfect treats or gifts. Enjoy your sweet creation and happy cooking. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more tasty recipes. See you next time.